Hello everyone. I hope that everybody is safe and happy with their families, and we pray for the safety of your family and everyone. As you are aware that the second wave of the coronavirus posed unprecedented challenges before the real estate sector. But this time the better part was that we were well prepared to handle this situation. The government was well aware about the impacts of the COVID-19, and they have taken precautions which could have been taken. There are some mishappenings which has happened within the families, but you know that this is a situation where this could not have been uh, better managed than this. We expect the government to do much better, but we should also realize that this is something which was unseen, since this happens as per the history in once in 100 years, and at least our generation has not seen this kind of pandemic ever before. As you know that now this pandemic is impacting the buyers a lot. Their choices are changing. Now they want a better house, a better equipped house, which now the builders are also gearing up to provide them those facilities. Now, like non-touchable gates, more sensor lights, more sensor other equipments which builders are offering in their new ventures. Even some of the builders, some of the real estate developers are changing their existing projects to meet the new demands. The best part out of it is that now buyers are understanding the need of a separate space in their house for their office work, for their study areas. So they are impacting that area, and now they are demanding that. Hence, now it is much equipped and much reactive. We are well prepared to give these solutions. What is being expected by the community from us? What society is expecting from us? I am happy to inform that industry is reacting to that. Industry is also understanding the situations and gearing up to meet the demand in future. You would understand that we have seen unprecedented demand in the second half of last fiscal year, which has broken all the records of almost all the good developers in terms of their sale, which is a good sign for the our industry. And I hope that this halt will be short term, and cheers and confidence in the market will return soon as we successfully bend the COVID curve. I hope government is doing their best. We should supplement to the government and hope that we would come out, and we should remember always we shall overcome. Thank you.